Now, I can see I've got a photograph of a loved one on your desk. Who's that?
Oscar.
And that's really who, sadly, in law, what this case is about.
Yeah.
Oscar couldn't be here today.
No.
Because Oscar is injured. What's your dog called, sir?
Scooby.
Scooby, as in do?
Yes.
Now, what's he like with other dogs?
No problem. We've got another dog ourselves.
What's the other dog that he shares the house with?
A Yorkshire Terrier.
A little one.
Yeah.
And did you know that out of interest?
Yeah.
Understood. And have you ever seen Scooby exhibit violent or aggressive behaviour towards the other dog inside the house?
No, it's the other way around.
He said, I'll sort the vet bills out and I'll pay the excess on the night when it happened.
I pay the excess.
I don't know why he
There
said
you are,
that,
and they're talking. No, sir. In the heat of the moment, somebody might say, I'll pay. But I doubt very much that Keith, in the middle of things, said, don't worry, in respect of your insurance liability, I resolve any excess. However, in the event that there's any residuals, we'll deal with that in due course. Goodbye. Do you see? It's not how people talk. Now, they realised that they had to operate because one of the issues was not just the broken paw,
Yeah.
but the...
Tendons.
all of the tendons effectively needed to be replaced.
Yeah.
And Oscar was going to require extensive healing.
Yeah.
As of today's date, what is the total sum that has been spent getting Oscar back to almost health?
Yeah, it's been £8,025.
£61.20.
Now, of course, £4,000 of that was covered by insurance.
Yeah.
So your claim today is for £4,061.25.
Yeah.
Because that's the total value of the treatment minus what the insurance have covered.
Yeah.
Now, one of the things that you might say before we get to this fence, which is the real nub of this case, sir, is that that is a huge amount of money. You'd say that, wouldn't you?
Definitely.
The court's expert in these proceedings is Dr. Victoria. She couldn't be with us today, but I telephoned her purely with the bill, setting out so that you all understand the extent of the surgery. That's all. Her view is as follows. The vet statement and fees are exactly what to expect if a small dog has been attacked by a large dog. Very quickly, do you believe that this is your fault in any way?
No.
Why not, sir?
I believe his dog tried to get under the fence to my dog.
The facts are that that fence was bowed. The facts are also that it seems to me that, on balance, even if Oscar's face could have got very close up to that fence, he was entitled to sniff around that fence. On balance, bearing in mind that the bottom of that fence was loose, I am satisfied, so that I'm more sure than not, that's all, on the balance of probabilities, that in all likelihood, Scooby's face got through the bottom of a loose fence panel and just about grabbed Oscar's foot, which was the cause of the injury. And based upon, sir, I have to tell you, significantly, your honest admission in the course of this case that the fence was bowed and you replaced it the following day because the panels were loose and because he is the only live witness to the proceedings, leads me with no other conclusion than to, I'm afraid to say, take the view that it was, as a matter of law, your dog's fault that their dog was injured. Consequently, as a matter of law, you are liable for all of the costs that ensue. I have to determine whether or not those costs were reasonable. In this case, I have evidence from 2 vets so that I'm satisfied those costs were reasonable. The total claim is for £4,061.25. This court has no choice but to give you that full award, and I wish Oscar the very best of luck. Click here for more exclusive YouTube videos. And don't be a moron, subscribe and keep up to date with all the best courtroom action. Jazz hands, Michelle.